In today's video, I'm going to show how to download and install Rapido Captain app in iPhone. Right now, the Rapido Captain app is only available for Android phones and has not yet been released for iPhones. If you search for it on the Apple App Store, you won't find it because there is no official iOS version. Some YouTube videos or websites may suggest ways to install it on iPhone, but those are usually misleading since the company itself has not provided support for iOS devices. If you want to become a Rapido captain, the best option is to use an Android phone. On Android, you can download the app directly from the Google Play Store, where it comes with all the features you need, such as auto-accepting rides, live location tracking, flexible working hours, and an earnings dashboard. Everything is designed for smooth use on Android devices. For now, iPhone users will have to wait until Rapido decides to release an iOS version. If you only have an iPhone and want to know about future availability, the most reliable step would be to reach out to Rapido support and ask whether they have any plans to launch the Captain app for iOS. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.